Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the Lumary RGBAI Smart LED Pathway Light. So I got this for the front of my house, right next to my garden. I'm just gonna unbox it and then go set it up. So it's got app dimming, 16 million colors, cool, warm, voice control, app timing, music sync, group control. It uses the Lumary or the Smart Life app. So let's open it up. So here's each light. This is exactly how it looks. And it's got wires that come out the bottom. And it's got stakes for sticking in the ground. Here's the plug. This goes into the wall. And then each light will get connected to these wires, which are waterproof. And so you can just stick them on the ground and hide everything when you're done. I'm gonna go set it up and show you how it looks. So here I am in the middle of the night to show you how the lights look. They look gorgeous, really puts a very nice high-end look. See, I have them a little close together. I could probably spread it out a little. I'm going to bury the wires under the mulch, but I just want to show you how it looks. So this is on the bright white setting. So you could download the Tuya app or you could use an included remote. So I'm going to show you the app right here. So here's the app. Got to open up on my tablet so we can show you how it works. Right here I got it on bright white. We could change it to color and then we could pick which color we want. So that's a red. It's got a really nice calming effect. It's good for a night. And then we could change it to something else. We'll just pick blue. See how it instantly changes. I'll do a pink, green, and you see over here it's got all, and you can change that to single. Then you can change the individual one. So let's say take here and make it blue, right? So you got just the first one is blue. Then we take, let's say, the third one and make that yellow. Oh, there it is. So you can see I made the third one yellow. So it's really cool. It's got dynamic colors also. So if you look over here, it's got music. And then let's click on this one over here. So these are scenes. So you can see it's got over here it's scenery, life. So let's say I'll just do Flower Harbor. I'll do lotus flowers. Wow, this is really pretty. I'll do Iceland blue, willows. And you could do, all these different options depending on what you want. Then it could be music, and then you can also do timers and schedules and everything to automate everything to make it the way you want it. So I'm going to go back one more time to show you a solid. Change this to all, and then I'll do a pink. And you can see how that looks. So thanks for watching my video on the Lumary garden pathway lights. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to help you out.